Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2018 Renault Koleos XZG. This vehicle has sustained damage to the left front. This shape runs from the 5th month 2016 to current. This vehicle is fitted with a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a front-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the left power door mirror. Left-hand front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has no damage. Factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Left-hand tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light garnish. Right-hand tail light. 18-inch factory alloy mag wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. Right rear door in tidy condition. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right-hand guard appears to have no damage. Factory 18-inch alloy mag wheel in tidy condition. Right front has a good tyre. Right hand fog light with surround in tidy condition. Right hand power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black leather interior. Has a tidy console lid, tidy automatic transmission console, automatic transmission gear lever, factory stereo, has a tidy sun visor with mirror, courtesy light with sunglass holder in tidy condition. Right hand sun visor in tidy condition. Instrument cluster. And has a tidy black leather steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.